Okay, so I'm out here again looking up at that same window that I was looking up at last night. And let's do our 90.82 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 22, 23, 28, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, 44, 42, 46, 47, 48, 49. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 75, 76, 77, 89, 90. Okay, so this is where I was standing last night. And you can see in the snow where I actually drew a little circle. In fact, let me just stand here again. So, you see the window off in the distance there? So that's what I was looking at last night. And let me just trample the snow to give you a picture of at least approximately the diameter of the sun. So there's a little picture of the outline of the sun. If you imagine a really big snowball that was that shape in diameter, it would be that big. And again, I was just thinking of singing Mission Impossible music because it is an impossible mission. So let's just imagine the rays of light from this sun here. We're going to give them, again, an impossible mission, right? So we're going to say, here's the thing. This is supposed to be a big hydrogen bomb, the sun, sending out light every direction, right? But a lot of that light, it goes nowhere and does nothing. But certain little rays of light, they're like the chosen ones, and they have this impossible mission. So you ready? It's got to travel all the way. That 90 steps I just did. Got to light up a little 1/16 of an inch moon, bright enough so that it can reflect light 238,000 miles to the earth. All right, well, here's our rays of light again. Now, every step I take here would represent definitely, I'd say at least hundreds of thousands of miles, if not millions of miles. And that's something that we are tempted to take for granted. And I actually don't want to take that anymore. And I pray that you won't want to take it anymore either. And you might be wondering, what do you mean take that? Well, in my opinion, just being taken for a ride and taken advantage of. Because you don't really have an appreciation of what even 1,000 miles would mean, let alone a million. So from where I was standing there, and that sun has to come all the way to about here. I'll just show you the picture again. So there's your little supposed dirty moon. Again, it's dirty. So all that light blasting out from that really bright light doesn't matter. You get the little 1/16 of an inch moon, and then it's supposed to light up that moon, and then some of the rays, not all, because it's dirty, so some of the lights, a lot of the light's going to be absorbed into the dirt. Some of the light will be reflected from the dirt. It's supposed to travel 238,000 miles to this supposed 8,000 mile diameter Earth. Oh, and by the way, while I'm at it, I also just recalled that Mars is supposed to be 12 million miles away. So that'd be 11.72 arms. So from this point, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But right here. So again, you look up at the window. So not only would it have to light up the moon, but it's also supposed to light up this supposed spherical planet of Mars. And then that's the light from here would be supposed to travel 12 million miles. And for that, I'm going to let it suffice.